Hello beautiful people, how you all doing? So today we are learning how to deshell our snail the easiest way. Okay, this is what you would like to watch. Please continue now to the end of the video. Thank you. So first off, we are going to just wash off all the dirt from the snail. Okay, then we are going to just set in a pot. And just in case you want to energize your snail first, you want to see them popping out of their shell, just pour water and you will see them coming out of their shell. So, okay guys, then do not forget to subscribe to this channel for videos like this if you are interested, and turn on the notification bell to get notified each time I upload new videos. So now put your snail on fire with enough water, at least covering the snail this way, and then you cover. So the next thing is when you want to take note if this is ready. Now to note if this is ready, you start seeing those whitish foam-like substance on it, then you know it's ready. Do not overcook it because you don't want, as for me, I love it when it's crunchy sometimes, so don't overcook it so that you will get those crunchy effects when it's ready. So that's the trick. We are at it. Just pick a fork and bring it out. Use your fork to bring out the snail from the shell. You do not need to stress yourself to break the shell, to do all sorts of we often do. So you're just going to do it this way till you get all the snails out of the shell. Okay guys, so please do not forget to comment your views if you've given this a try. Just comment down below and I will be glad to reply to your comment, to your messages. And then I'm just washing off all of the dirt. I'm getting out all of the dirt, all the unnecessary, unwanted part in the snail. So I went ahead to use alum to wash off. I sprinkled my lime. I have some lime at home, a prepared lime that I stored in a bottle. You can use a lime from your garden like this. Then to wash off, I use salt also. I use salt to at least to just get the slimy feel all out. Okay, so I did all of that, then I set aside for all the purposes I need it for. You can do the same for your, probably you need it for your pepper soup, snail pepper soup, snail stew, or soup. So I just prepared it and put it in the fridge. And now guys, give this video a huge thumbs up and I'll see you in my next video.